My name is Brayden and I'm from the Tentworld team here in Tweed, and today we're going through one of my favourite compact camp cookers, the Trangia. Now the Trangia has been made for about 90 years, still in the original place in Sweden. The kit I'm going through is the 25-1 ultralight, so it is an aluminium. They do offer a range of other sets with a hard anodised aluminium kit, ranging to ones that also include a kettle. This unit includes a fry pan, the metho burner, the pot grips, and two varying sizes in pots. Now, to set the unit up, you take the base and you face the holes directed into the wind. So that helps with the oxygen intake and helps the flame keep burning. The metho cooker is then placed on the top, and it does come with an extinguishing cap which helps moderate the flame. You then take the base, you place it over the indentations and give it a quarter turn, which then locks into place and makes it one solid unit. The metho burner that is interior does hold 125 millilitres. It's recommended to only fill this 2/3 of the way, which will burn for approximately 25 minutes. Now if you were to use one of these pots, you could fill it with a litre of water, and it is expected it will boil that within 10 to 15 minutes. Now after you've finished boiling, you do have these pot grips to pick up the unit to take the water out, as the pots will hold the heat. While using a pot, the fry pan can be used as a lid to help hold in the heat and reduce that boil time. The three indentations can also be placed on the outer, which allows you to fully utilise the fry pan. Beside me is the 1 litre Trangia bottle, which will hold the metho in it. This bottle will last about 2 people approximately a week of cooking, where this set does cater from 2 to 4 people. Thank you.